What you doing, boy? Huh? Get in
What's up, Facebook family, YouTube family, Solar family? So I have been MIA for a while, and you guys know this little fellow. His name is Jackie. He is 11 months now, and he is still being breastfed. Look at him! Oh my gosh, yes, he is lost one to stop. But anyway, I wanted to catch you up on what's been going on with me and Kai, and I have so many more tips about breastfeeding and making sure that you guys check your own blood levels, see what you got going on in your own body, and also make sure that you're checking your infants. Make sure you know what nutrient what your body is able to create for your baby. That is so important. So to give like a quick review for Kai, he had a hospital scare. I was beginning to wean him off food. I thought, hey, he's eating way more table food. And I just moved him to night feeding. I did not know that his blood calcium levels were very, very low. And he ended up, each time he was eating, the first time he was eating potato wedge, and I thought he had gotten choked on the potato wedge, but it wasn't that. I got him out of the seat. He had bubbles on his lip. I got him out of the seat, and I resuscitated him, cleared his pathways and all like that. And he was fine. Like, he came back too. He ate and everything right after. A couple days later, it happened. 45 minutes after he ate, which was really suspicious. After that, he got his blood work and all done, and we found out what was going on. So yes. So mommy got and I will do another video about what I actually got and got him to take him from his herbalist. That's herbalist. I like to call him Mr. Miyagi. He always tells me what to do when something is going on, so that we don't have to do the man made way. I'd rather do it God's way. I'd rather go back to source and pick, herbs and things like that to get the body back jumping. Y'all know how I am. But anyway, we got him situated. He is great. He is also back to full time breastfeeding on demand, and right now is one of those times. And so I'm going to end the video. If you guys have any questions for me or any suggestions for the videos going forward, you can message me below and or leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time. Peace.
Cat. What you doing, boy?